Hello children, welcome to our English class. Block 2, we are in people, places and things. Lesson number 4. What do you have? Today we are going to learn what do you have, children. Okay, I will explain you this in detail. Our keywords are cat, hat, can, fan, pet, wet, pen, hen. Okay children, all these are our keywords. These are also called CVC word. In our previous videos, I have explained you what these three-letter words are called. These are called CVC words. What these are called, children? CVC words. This is consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay children? Okay children, so see, look here children, do you have dash? Do you have? So how you are going to answer this? Yes, I have. Okay children? So now if I ask you, do you have a cat? I will write here C-A-T, cat. Do you have a cat? So what your answer will be? Yes, I have cat. Okay? Now if I ask you, do you have hat? If you have it, what you will say? Yes, I have hat. Okay children? Children, now let us read rhyming words. Cat, hat, man, fan, pet, net, pen, hen. These are some rhyming words, children. How we can find the words are rhyming or not, children? We can find with the help of last letters, children. See, C-A-T, cat. A-T are the last two letters, no children? In hat also we have A-T last letters. Okay, rhyming words are words which have last letters same. Okay children? If you see man and fan, the last letters are same. Children, now I will teach you how to sort the words, children. See, one way of sorting the words is rhyming way, children. Cat, hat, this is rhyming way, no children. One way. The other way is we can take the last two letters, children, like this. 80 words. Okay, children? So now all the 80 words you have to write under this. What are the 80 words? Cat and hat, children. Okay? And then let us take ET words. ET words. What are the words with ET? P-E-T, pet. N-E-T, net. Like this also one way we can sort the words. Children, there are many ways of sorting the words. One way of sorting the words is by people, places, things, animals. Okay? All these are naming words. Let us see they will come under which column. Now, what is the first letter given? First word given here, children? Cat. So, cat comes under which column, children? People, places, things or animals. Cat is an animal, no children? So where we will write? We will write here. C-A-T, cat. Then next is hat. Hat comes under which column, children? Hat is a thing. So it comes under thing. Okay? Now next is man. Man comes under people. Okay? And then fan. Fan is thing. So we will write in things column. Then pet. Pet comes under animals column. Okay, P-E-T, pet. Net. Net is thing. So we will write in things column. Then pen. What is pen? Pen is a thing. We will write in things column. Last one is hen. Hen is what, children? Hen is an animal. So we will write in animals column. Okay children? Now children, come to page number 17. Block 1, reading on our own. Practice questions, children. First question I will give you in the classwork, children. Then second question onwards you can do it as homework, children. Okay? Second one, draw or write the answer. What is your favorite animal? Who is your favorite person? What is your favorite place? What is your favorite thing? Here place is there, no children? You can draw or you can write. Third one is answer in sentence. What does this toy look like? It looks like a girl. What does this shape look like? What is the answer, children? This shape looks like a house. Number 4, put the letter A or E in each blank to name the picture. So you have to see this picture and then J-T. In this blank you have to write which letter will come here. A will come or E will come. Then fifth one, rewrite the following words in alphabetic order. These words are given, no children. You have to write these words in alphabetic order. Alphabetic order means what? A, B, C, D. That order is there, no? In that you have to write these words. Okay? Now turn the page slowly. This page is also homework, children, for you. This is block 2. Okay? Block 2. People, places and things. Practice questions. Fill in the blanks with words from the story. To complete this homework, you have to read the story My Balloon. Okay? A bit. I have a red dash. B bit. I dash to it to pa dash blows into it. D bit. My dash has 4 people in it. Answer in sentences. What do you bring to your teacher? What do you bring to your ma or pa? What do you bring to a friend? In these 3 questions you can write any answer. I bring a book to my teacher. I bring fruits to pa or ma. I bring a pencil to my friend. Okay? Then third one, fill in the blanks with A, E, I, O, U to match the pictures. Okay, here what is this picture? Bag. So now what is the spelling of bag? B dash G. What will come in the blank? A. So like that you have to write. With here vowels are given, no? With that you have to fill these blanks. Okay? Till here you have homework, children. Fine. Children, in last class we have completed block 2 question number 1. Now we will write question number 2, children. Okay? Here you have to write question number 2. Write the date in the margin. Fine. Now what you have to write? Circle. CIRCLE. Finger gap. Circle the. 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 1 finger gap. Naming. 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 Words. 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 Full stop. 1 finger gap. Write. 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 Next line. If. If. 1 finger gap. Each. 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 Naming. 1 finger gap. Naming. 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 Word. 1 finger gap. Word. 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 Finger gap. Is. Finger gap. Next line. Person. 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 Comma. Finger gap. PLACE. Place. Comma. Finger gap. Thing. 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 Finger gap. Or. Finger gap. Animal. 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 Full stop. This question you can copy from reader also, children. Reader page number 17. This is first question. Okay? Now let us write what words they have given. Okay? BED. Bed. Yes, bed is a naming word, children. Yes, bed is a naming word. So what you have to do? You have to circle it. Yes, we will put a circle to it. Then put put a small dash. Bed is what? It is a person, place, thing or animal. It is a thing. It comes under thing. So here we will write THING, thing. Next word we will write, children, here, bug. BUG, bug. Bug is a naming word. Yes, bug is name of an insect. Yes, so yes, animal. Okay, so what we will do, we will put a circle to it. Yes, this is naming word. Then put a small dash and it comes under animal. Okay, chalo, write down ANIMAL, animal. Now next word is have. HAVE. Have is a naming word? No. I have a pencil. Like that we will use have in a sentence. This is not naming word. Next one is RAT, rat. Rat is a naming word? Yes. Rat is name of an animal, no? So we have to put a circle and then put a small dash and write down animal. ANIMAL, animal. Next word is run. RUN, run. Run is a naming word? No. Run is not a naming word. It is doing work, action word. Okay, children? So next we will write family. Next word FAMILY, family. Family is a naming word? Yes. Family is naming word. It is name of a person. 2 family members we have. Okay, like that we will say, no? So this is person. PERSON, person. Next word. What is next word? Home. HOME, home. Home is a naming word? Yes, home is a naming word. So put a circle to home and write down. It comes under what? It comes under place. PLACE, place. Next word BLOW, blow. Blow is a naming word? No. It is showing an action. It is action word. So we will not write anything here. It is not naming word. Now children, here you can write the next word is balloon. BALLOON, balloon. Balloon is a naming word? Yes. So put a circle to this balloon and then write down. It comes under what, children? Balloon is a thing. So we will write THING, thing. Okay, like this neatly complete your classwork. Children, open your workbook. Okay, S3. We have words like this, children. For these words we will cut and will paste these words in our classwork as activity, children. Okay, what activity we are going with these words? We are doing class activity as rhyming words, children. Okay, children, you have to cut the words from workbook in this way and then we'll stick it in the classwork book. Children, you have to write date in dates column and then write down class activity. Next line, rhyming words, and like this you have to paste the words. Cat, hat. Man, fan. Pen, hen. Pet, net. Okay, so with this we have completed our block 2 also, children. Block 2 was about naming words. So all the names of people, places, things and animals are called naming words. Fine, children? So complete your workbook, complete your classwork neatly. Thank you.